Hey there, welcome back to another van tour here with us at ACME Overland. This is a 2025 Ford Transit 350 148-inch wheelbase that we're just getting ready to send off. It is a full build from floor to ceiling, and just wanted to give you a quick tour. This van is based around this owner's cat, which makes it kind of unique in a sense. We have a cat den here for Lucy. There's also a door to the back for a litter box that Lucy can jump into. And a number of other things. We kind of have a partition wall here. These two doors close, but still allow for the passenger seat to swivel around. Isotherm fridge, freezer, microwave overhead. This expands doubly into a additional bed. There's another part back here which you can't see, but you will in the rest of the tour. Whereas it's a step, but also works as an extension to that bed. The bed in the rear articulates, so you can have kind of a backrest sitting up, or a backrest looking out to the rear of the vehicle with the doors open. So this is the changing room here. There's a toilet underneath me that pulls into that changing room. And yeah, just a number of little features through and through that kind of make this thing a very unique build. So yeah, thanks for taking a tour with us. If you have questions, of course, reach out, and yeah, enjoy the walk around.